In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail, Keep Notes, and Google Calendar together. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to streamline your workflow, ensure nothing slips through the cracks, and make the most of these powerful Google tools. First, let's dive into how you can turn emails into tasks and calendar events using Gmail. To start, open an important email in your Gmail account. On the right-hand side panel, you'll notice icons for both calendar and tasks. These are your gateways to better organization. If you want to follow up on this email later, simply click on the tasks icon, then select Add to Tasks. This action will link the email to a task automatically. Alternatively, if the email contains details pertinent to a meeting or deadline, click on the calendar icon, choose Create Event, and voila! The email context is attached to the event details. This feature is fantastic for managing client emails, making sure you follow up on meeting requests, or keeping track of critical deadlines. Next, let's explore how Google Keep can be your go-to for quick capture and seamless syncing. Whether you're using the web version or the mobile app, open Google Keep whenever an idea strikes or you need to note something down quickly. Jot down your thoughts, ideas, or to-dos. Then, when you're in Gmail or on Google Calendar, simply click the Keep icon in the right sidebar to access your notes instantly. Need to enrich a calendar event with more details? No problem. Just drag a Keep note into the relevant calendar event, whether it's an agenda or a detailed checklist. This method is perfect for brainstorming sessions or meeting preparations that ought to be integrated into your schedule. Finally, let's talk about using Calendar and Keep to plan your day effectively. Every morning, take a moment to open Google Calendar and review your upcoming schedule. Next, over in Keep, list your top 3 priorities for the day. If it helps, create and pin a checklist in Keep to keep your focus aligned with your scheduled events. Throughout your day, make it a habit to cross-check your progress between tasks and meetings. This approach transforms your calendar from merely a meeting tracker to a comprehensive command center. And let's not forget about the power of Gmail and Calendar for time blocking. When an email pops up that requires your attention, such as write proposal, don't let it linger in your inbox. Instead, block specific time on your calendar. Say work on proposal from 2 to 4 p.m. and attach the email link to the event. This way, you're not just managing an overflowing inbox, but planning your productivity as well. Consider this your effective path to achieving inbox zero and efficient task management all at once. That wraps up our guide on seamlessly integrating Gmail, Keep Notes, and Google Calendar. By implementing these strategies, you'll not only manage your time more effectively, but also ensure that these tools work harmoniously together to boost your productivity.